even take my call after my fool selfishness long years ago. I will gladly take the fall. I've been humbled in ways you'll never know. I'll see you once again at Union Station. I'm on the 9:15, the kingdom come. We'll have strong coffee and some pointed conversation about where we're going and where we're coming from. Won't you tell me about family, the beautiful lives you have made? I say, from where I'm standing, looks a lot like the legacy I prayed for you. I'll see you once again at Union Station. We'll cover old ground with new graves. How did it ever come to this dire situation? With so little time and so much more to say. Once again at Union Station, your eyes fill as you spilled out the pain. I am no savior, but I bear this invitation to love and joy and peace with no more shame. How can that be true? What stranger would care like that for me? Just know there's nothing you can do to ever change the love that's yours for free. I'll see you once again at Union Station. I'm on the 9:15, kingdom come. We'll have strong coffee and some pointed conversation about where